everyone! Are you ready to practice English? Let's learn, listen, and improve together with Miss English Tips. I'm Sarah, and I'll be your guide today. Let's begin! Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Miss English Tips. Today, we're going to learn 25 natural English phrases you can use instead of always saying, I'm fine. Native English speakers don't always say, I'm fine. They use many different expressions depending on how they really feel. Let's get started. 1. I'm doing great. Meaning, I feel really good. Example, how are you? I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. 2. I'm doing well. Meaning, I'm good. Example, I'm doing well. How about you? 3. Pretty good. Meaning, better than okay. Example, I'm pretty good today. 4. Not bad. Meaning, I'm okay. Example, not bad. It's been a good day. 5. Can't complain. Meaning, things are going well. Example, how's work? Can't complain. 6. So far, so good. Meaning, everything is going well until now. Example, how's your new job? So far, so good. 7. I'm feeling great. Meaning, I feel wonderful. Example, I'm feeling great after my vacation. 8. I'm feeling fantastic. Meaning, I feel amazing. Example, I'm feeling fantastic today. 9. I'm doing awesome. Meaning, I'm doing very well. Example, I'm doing awesome. Thanks. 10. Life is good. Meaning, everything is going well. Example, life is good these days. 11. Everything's going well. Meaning, things are good. Example, everything's going well at work. 12. I'm all right. Meaning, I'm okay. Example, don't worry, I'm all right. 13. I'm okay. Meaning, I'm fine. Example, I'm okay now. 14. I'm hanging in there. Meaning, things are difficult, but I'm managing. Example, it's been a busy week, but I'm hanging in there. 15. I've been better. Meaning, I'm not feeling very good. Example, how are you? I've been better. 16. I'm a little tired. Meaning, I need some rest. Example, I'm a little tired after work. 17. I'm exhausted. Meaning, I'm very tired. Example, I worked all day. I'm exhausted. 18. I'm full of energy. Meaning, I have lots of energy. Example, I'm full of energy this morning. 19. I'm in a good mood. Meaning, I feel happy. Example, I'm in a good mood today. 20. I'm excited. Meaning, I'm looking forward to something. Example, I'm excited about my trip. 21. I'm feeling much better. Meaning, I was sick or sad, but now I feel better. Example, thanks for asking, I'm feeling much better. 22. I'm doing my best. Meaning, I'm trying hard. Example, work is difficult, but I'm doing my best. 23. I'm keeping busy. Meaning, I have many things to do. Example, I've been keeping busy this week. 24. Things are looking up. Meaning, life is improving. Example, I finally found a new job. Things are looking up. 25. Couldn't be better. Meaning, everything is perfect. Example, how are you today? Couldn't be better. Now let's practice. How are you today? Instead of saying, I'm fine, try using one of these expressions. I'm doing great. Pretty good. Can't complain. I'm hanging in there. I'm feeling fantastic. The more natural phrases you use, the more confident your English will sound. Today's challenge: write your answer in the comments using one of today's 25 phrases. Don't write, "I'm fine." Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Miss English Tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new English lesson. See you in the next video. Bye.